Well, Donkey came and ate one. Uh-oh. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkey, cried the farmer. Save some for me. Oh, the poor farmer. So how many apples are on the tree now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. Well, did you see something that was red and juicy and yummy, yummy, yummy and round? Oh, Ollie did. Oh my goodness, Ollie. Wow. Ollie is super excited because he said, yeah, he saw it. Apples. It's his very favorite thing to eat. He loves fresh, crunchy apples. How about you guys? Do you? Yeah. Did you see apples in the video? Well, we're going to talk about apples today. We are. We're going to sing some fun songs about them, read a silly book about them, and just have fun. Oh, and we're going to do an art project using an apple. Yeah, get that, an apple.